Today we'll be making a 5-minute quick and healthy vegan breakfast recipe that requires minimal ingredients, so let's go. For this one we would need fresh, juicy apples. Make sure that they are nice and crisp for best results. We would also need peanut butter that is without any additives or flavoring. This is natural 100% peanut butter. We would need a handful of walnuts. Again, crispy ones would be best. We need to coarsely grind them. Along with it, we would need some maple syrup, and the base of the recipe is oats and a little bit of cinnamon for flavoring. With the ingredients lined up, let's start preparing the recipe. First, we'll start with chopping off the apples. One into long slices and other into finely chopped cubes. In a pan, we will dry roast the oats, walnuts and apples for 2 minutes. Once it's slightly brown, we will add peanut butter and maple syrup. Make sure that you cook it only for a minute here. Next, we'll line a microwave-safe dish with some peanut butter and sliced apples and microwave it for 2 minutes till they are slightly soft. Now add the cooked mixture on top of it and again pop it in the oven for 3 more minutes. Once out of the microwave, your dish is ready to be served. Make sure you enjoy it while it's still warm. This can be used as a breakfast or a quick snack any time of the day. Do try it out and let me know how it came out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you next time.